Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I just got back from work. I've taken my bath, freshened up. I'm hungry. I just wanted to, welcome you guys to another vlog. Feel my scarf, like it's a little bit out of place right now, but it was really looking cute this morning, and I liked it so much that I didn't want to take it off. Even when I went to have my bath, I went like this. I like it so much. By now, by the time you're seeing this video, my video of how I style my locks should already be up. So if you missed it, this is a reminder that you need to catch up on the videos. You need to catch up on the videos, okay? So I've got my other package from Jumia also arrived yesterday, and I just wanted to unbox it on the vlog. Oh, finally, my micellar water, my Nivea micellar water and cleansing foam set.
Okay. Wow, 3,700. I think I had a coupon code that applied to, I think they'll just apply it to everything. So I think it was supposed to be like 4,000 plus. But I ended up paying 3,700 for this set. So.
You guys, my skin feels so fresh. Like I've not done a face scrub in weeks. Finally got around to doing it today, and I'm so happy I did. Like my skin has missed it and is suffering from not doing it. So these are the extra 2 sets of Nivea deodorants that I ordered. You can still go get yourself, well, if you're seeing this video before the 30th of November, you can still go on Jumia and check. I got these two for like 1,549 naira, 90 kobo. Still. Hey guys, good morning. This is Saturday morning. I'm having breakfast. What's new? Pancakes. Pancakes. If you know me, like if you follow me on Instagram, you know that pancakes are my favorite thing to eat on Saturday mornings. So that's what I'm having, and there's no light as per usual. See, I don't tire. Like, when there's no light, like you're already demotivated. Like the mood is just so dampened. Like before I could get up and start my day, it took a lot of push. So the agenda for today is to finish eating, take out these logs. I don't tire. 3 weeks, we're good. So it's time to get these logs out. Oh, I should film a reel, so we're gonna do that right about now. Look at guys. When I take these down, I'm not washing. I'm just going to take them out, do cornrows, and then I'm going to wear wigs for the rest of the week. Then next week I have a new hairstyle planned out that I'm going to be doing. You guys, my hair is not dry at all. So one major tip you have to take away, like one thing I've learned now, when you want to do a protective style such as full locks, braids that you're going to be having in for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, make sure to deep condition. Like, make sure to deep condition, and make sure that if you're making it by yourself or anybody who's making it, make sure you also apply some form of moisture retention products to your hair, like oil it or something before going in with the protective style. And see, water and leave-in conditioner is your best friend. I would always spray this on my hair every morning or every other morning, at least 4 times a week. I would always spray this to my hair. I think that has also helped, because aside from all this dirt, like, see my hair, it's not dry at all. I had this handy because I thought that, oh, I will need to spray it so adding moisture to it, but like for now, no, I've not had any. Like, my hair still feels soft. Like, it feels so soft, you guys. I'm a happy girl. Happy girl. So,
a few moments later.
hey guys, so it's evening time now. I'm about to have dinner, beans and plantain. The plantain is kind of overripe. I don't quite like it, but I have got no choice. I've got no choice, guys. How do you like your plantains, by the way? Like, do you like them extra ripe, like overripe, or do you like them slightly ripe or unripe? Let me know in the comment section. Me, I prefer mine in between, like not too ripe, not too hard. When it's getting to this level, this is the only way I can eat it, with beans. Other than that, I know they chop. This beans is I wish there was bread though. By the way, you guys, my goal for 2021, you guys, please help my career. This girl needs to cross 500 subscribers by the end of this year. We gotta do it. I know we can do it. So please, if you are watching, you have not yet subscribed for whatever reason, now is the time to do so. Join the gang, join the family. Hit the subscribe button right now to help me hit my 2021 goal of crossing 5. See, I'm not even asking for too much. Me obey 1 million naira. I'm not asking for 1 million naira. I'm not asking for too much. Just kindly subscribe, share my video, get your friends to watch, your family, let them subscribe as well. Whenever you watch my video, leave me a comment, like, all that good stuff. That's what's going to help my video to come across, to get across to more people, and help this channel grow, and help me reach my target for 2021 ASAP. Okay, thank you.
Several days later.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. It's almost afternoon. I didn't go to church. I'm not feeling too well. Guys, I don't even know how time just flew by. But I'm just about to have breakfast. At this point, I'm just going to call it brunch. So what am I having? Having yam and egg sauce. What is new? So yeah. So I have not rested. I don't even know. You know when you have things to do in your head and you just want to get some out of the way? That is how I feel. So after I ate, I picked up the laptop and immediately started working on this, my Vlogmas intro. Hey, by the way, I am going to be taking part in Vlogmas 2021. You guys, I mean, I started YouTube last year. I was like, should I do? I'm like, what do you want to vlog about? But really, this time I'm not gonna give myself any reason not to. I am going to do it because I want to, and I might not be able to put up videos every single day of Vlogmas, but I think I'll just be compounding them, like Vlogmas day 1, day 2, or like 2 or 3 days together at once. I think that's how we're going to be doing it. So I'm going to try and post on the very first day of Vlogmas, but that Vlogmas vlog is going to comprise of some days leading to the 1st of December, including this particular clip that you're seeing. So yeah, that's how I plan on doing it. I hope you guys find the videos enjoyable, and yeah, and I hope it helps you to get in the mood for Christmas.
One eternity later.
So I'm finally set to handle and take care of this hair. Let me show you, like, see you guys. I am actually not in the, I don't know, I'm not feeling 100%, but okay, this light is disturbing. But I just want to film this. Apart from just wanting to film, I need to do something about this. So hence why I'm pushing myself and you guys. So I'm just going to, while my mama is cooking, I hope this will take me less than 1 hour, because, and the way I'm going to do it, since this Sunday night, so I'm going to just slick back the hair. Then tomorrow when I get back from work, I'll finish up the look, do my makeup, and do all that good stuff. Okay, so to help me with my filming, usually when I film or when I cook, when I do anything, actually I'm always on YouTube. So I'm always on YouTube watching something. I'm just going to be catching up on some of my face. Oh yeah, do you see that? Yep, gotta watch that. And always make sure you watch the ad, or watch the ad of your faves on your faves video. Okay, so let's just get filming. My mom got done just before I began to style my hair, so I decided to eat first because it was already late, and I finished quite late. I finished making my hair quite late, so this is going to be the outro. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.